Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just want to say a very big thank you to my old subscribers and my new subscribers. I really appreciate your efforts and support. Thank you very much. So today's going to be a skincare routine, and this skincare routine has always it's been requested. A couple of you guys have asked me to bring more of skincare routine, and here you go. I didn't just come with just skincare routine, but I brought you a 70% discount on this product that will give you life, that will make your life better. I got you covered. So let's get to it. This product is a Radiance skincare system brush right there, and I got an email from this person that contacted me to say if I would like to review their product, and I said why not, bring it on. And then when he mentioned 70% discount, I was like, yes, I will do it. For my subscribers, I will do it. So you guys, this brush is look at the packaging. First of all, it's just a beautiful packaging, very little, and like not very portable, I would say, like not very little, but like everything fits in perfectly, and it's not that big that you have to carry a bigger box and all that. And then the color combination whatsoever, it's just beautiful. Look at it. This is the best color I'm loving at the moment. That color, if you doubt me, I have it on the wall here. I had to redecorate my house with that same color. As you can see something like this there. So I had to, because I'm loving the color at the moment. So when it came, I'm like, oh yes, this is beautiful. So I'm gonna open this thing, guys, and show you guys what it looks like, and we're going to use it. Yes, we will use it, and I haven't used it since it came. I have not used it, so I'm going to obviously show you guys what it looks like. This is the instruction where you read carefully to know how to use this product. And this one is the head. I'm just gonna pull it out. It's not easy, it's not very difficult to come out. As you can see, that one just fell off. And this thing is beautiful. I'm not gonna lie, I have about different parts of this thing, as you guys see me using it in different videos, but this particular one looks so posh. Look at that. I love it. I will definitely travel with this. I really love it, and it's beautiful. Taking that it has my best color on it, what do you mean? I have to carry it along with me. And it came with this part, which would be useful to obviously to clean the hard parts in your body. So if you have any bad part, like your foot, your heels, if it's dry, this is the best one for you to use to exfoliate or whatever you want to do to just get that bit smooth. And these other ones are the brush. It came with these brushes that are, this one usually I use this bigger one for my body when I want to exfoliate my whole body. I put my soap in there and then I use it to exfoliate my whole body. This is what this one is meant for. If not, if you still want to use on your face, because it's very soft, it has a very soft bristle, not very soft that it will not do what it's supposed to do. It's very soft, and it's very comfortable. That's what I would say. I would definitely use this over and over again, because I hate it when it's too hard. You will not be able to use it, but when it's between, which is exactly what this is, you can see it's just good. I love it. And you guys know that I would there's no way I will bring to you what I have not I've not approved. I will not bring it to your way. I will always give my honest review, honest opinion. If it's not honest, then I'm not bringing it your way, because I will not be able to bring something that I will not use to you guys. That will not be fair on me. So it will not be fair on you guys. So that's why I accepted this to do it, because when I saw the packaging and I went to their website, everything is just amazing there. So this particular one, this one is the type that I would say use you can use every day or just 3 times in a week, if I would say, if you really need it. And this one is the softest bristle. It's very fragile and fluffy. You can use it every day if you wish. because it will not be hard on your skin, and it will not give you you know, it will not give you a hard time and all that. I just love it. Like, it's very fluffy, and look at that. It feels really good, as if you're massaging your skin. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this out. And first of all, I'm gonna open this bit to show you how this one works. I think it needs a battery in there. It needs a battery. There goes. So you need the battery in there. You need to put 2 batteries in there. Or is it 2? No, you need to put 4 batteries apparently, because it's long enough to take 4 batteries. So I think that's what it is. And I'm going to go and get some batteries and put in there. And before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and show you how it works. But before I do that, I want to be able to demonstrate that. And so I'm going to be using this what do you call it, makeup removal cotton pad right here, and I'm just going to take a little bit of water. My face is really dried, very dried. Like, I've left my face for 2 days now and it's really dried. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this. If you check the last video I have on the channel right now, which I made a soap, you know, to remove stretch marks, impurities and things like that, this is that same soap. You know, I'm gonna be taking a little bit of this soap to just do like a face mask, and then after that we use this. Listen, your skincare is not complete if you do not use only soap. Sometimes cannot wash your face off, so you need something, which is this obviously, to just use around your face. Because you realize when you use your makeup and you use cotton pad like this to just wipe it off with your micellar water, and at the end of the day you think, oh yeah, you've done it. No, if you try after wiping it off, if you doubt me, wipe your makeup off, go to the toilet or the bathroom, use this particular brush your face and see what happens, and see the kind of yucky things and the gunk that will come out of your face after you think you've cleaned properly with cotton pad. So you really need this in your life. It's really important. So I'm gonna go ahead and take some of this soap that I made. The link will be at the description box at the same time. So I'm gonna go ahead and use it to do a mask, a short mask, well, and then after that we're gonna go ahead and use this one at the same time. And this is how it goes. Just, this thing is made with turmeric, so I hope you see the video, you see everything I used, and you'll be able to understand what I'm talking about. So I just gonna use it around my face. This is what the color will be, because there is turmeric on it, so it's going to turn that color. So I'm just gonna use it, do just a quick, just to hydrate my face. And we come back and finish it up with the brush, which is Radiance Spin Care. So now that I've used this on my face, I'm gonna go ahead and get a battery, put in here, and then we'll return and then use it the right way. So guys, hold up for me. Hey guys, so I'm back. I have had this thing on my face for like 20 to 25 minutes. I can't even talk properly because my face is like shrunk together. And you know, I have gone to look for batteries. Apparently I just realized that all the batteries I have in the house are all dead. You know, like they are literally dead. I've gone to take the one that I have in my air freshener sprays in the house. They are all dead except one that is about to die. So all the whole batteries I have in the house are what? Are dead. They are what? Are dead. So oh my god, like my face is strung together. But the good thing about this is that you can use it with or without battery. So let's get to this. You know, you can use this whether you have battery or you don't have a battery. So I'm going to be using this thing right here, the bigger one. That's what I choose because I want everything to be around my face. But before then, I'm going to use a cotton pad to reduce the coloring on my face so that I don't stain the brush too much, even though I know it's still going to. Which is the hard one of the hard one. I'm gonna put those right. Yeah, this is it. This is just it. It works, man. You don't need battery to operate this. That's one thing about it. You use it whether you use a brush or you do not use a brush, and then you're good to go. So y'all know that my face still needs washing, right? I'm gonna go ahead and wash. All my days, guys, look at my skin. You know what I mean? It washed like properly, digged in. Look at it, look at how it feels. See how shiny my face is. It feels so good. Okay, this has done wonders, guys. You need to get this. I've got 70% discount. 70. All you need to pay is 30%. 70% discount. And all you need to do is use Chichi 10 together. CHI 10. You get a 70% discount. Hurry and get this right now. Listen to me. If you have pimples on your face, acne on your face, and that's pot on your face, and you think miracle will happen when you wash your face like that, not going to go out. Let's not deceive ourselves. Next thing I go about doing is use my rose water facial toner right there, which I love so much, and it smells like heaven. So as if I've smelled heaven before. But yeah, heaven smells like everything, so yeah, why not? Okay, so I'm gonna so guys, these simple steps, you know, if you do not have a soap like this, you can use any black soap. If you don't have it, you can use your normal soap, normal bathing soap. You know, just spray a little bit on it like that, and then make sure your face is damp, and then use it to go all over your face. You do not need to use facial steamer to do this, because this one is a very good brush already that will open all your pores, you know, exfoliate your face properly. That's all you need. So after that, I'm just gonna go ahead and use my Daisy essence right here to just spray on my face, you know. This one wakes you up. This is my personal property, so just use whatever you use on your face, you know, to spray on your face when you're done doing this, you know, just to close your pores, and everything obviously will come together and you're good to go. Look at that. You should see that glow, right? No, oh my goodness. You can wash your face and think everything has gone off. No, you need a brush like this in your life. Okay, so I'm going to put everything on the description box where you go and get that link, the link to the website and the discount code and how much the price of this brush costs and how much you get it at the end of the day. This is what it looks like, guys, and I really love it. It is called Radiance Spin Care System, and this is it, guys. So you rush right now and go and get this thing and you'll not regret it. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next other video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment down below, and I'll see you in my next other video.